Hey guys, this is part 2 of rating my fidget. Again, I know I look like a hot mess. Don't judge, just got out of the hospital. Yellow colored Trentonito. I'm gonna get this one like an 8.5. It's not my favorite, but I still really like it. Forgot to say we're starting off with stress balls. Narwhal PB&J. 10 out of 10. I literally love this thing so much. Football foam stress ball. It's a 0. Hate it. But I only keep it because I love football. Spiky Orby stress ball. Woo! 1 trillion out of 10. This is my ultimate favorite stress ball. It's so good and I love these textures. You like my 3. Translation by come back for part 3.